Automation in manufacturing. An overview.
Automation is changing how factories and plants operate around the world. Robots, sensors, and smart machines are being integrated into production lines, streamlining repetitive tasks and improving efficiency. This shift is not only altering workflows, but also setting new expectations for the skills needed to thrive in the modern manufacturing workplace.
New kinds of manufacturing jobs.
As automation takes over routine and hazardous tasks, manufacturing jobs are evolving. There is growing demand for professionals who can program, maintain, and monitor automated systems. Traditional assembly line roles are decreasing, while opportunities in robotics, process optimization, and equipment monitoring are on the rise, creating avenues for skill development and career advancement.
Changing workflows and production processes.
Automated systems enable manufacturers to run longer shifts, reduce errors, and respond quickly to changes in demand. Production lines are becoming more flexible and less reliant on manual labor. Workers are increasingly focused on overseeing automated equipment, interpreting data, and troubleshooting when issues arise, shifting from hands-on assembly to technical oversight.
Essential skills for the automated workplace.
Today's manufacturing professionals benefit from skills in robotics, basic programming, data analysis, and machine troubleshooting. Familiarity with computer-aided design, process control software, and system integration has become valuable. Continuous learning and adaptability are crucial, as technology and automation tools evolve rapidly, requiring workers to keep their knowledge and abilities up to date.
Preparing for the future of manufacturing.
To succeed in the age of automation, individuals and organizations must invest in training and education. Apprenticeships, certifications, and specialized courses can help workers transition into high-tech roles. Embracing lifelong learning and staying abreast of industry trends will be key in navigating the future of work in manufacturing and unlocking new career opportunities.